And I know it's gonna be a lovely day.
Lovely rains, lovely wind. Wind has calmed down a bit. What's that, man? I think it's kilometer 14 now. But I'm feeling good. Enjoying the pace. Lovely. This is lekker. Yeah, I love it.
And I know it's gonna be a lovely day.
Is that my first 50k here. Falls Bay 50. It's beautiful. It was raining, windy, but we move. First time, of course, I do the Falls Bay 50 Ultra Marathon, and you wish you were here.